Yes, for a newly born startup, what do you think is correct? Be it cost of registration, or be it cost of advertising, or cost of labor, is it necessary to invest at the beginning itself? Or what do you think if someone can invest it after developing it to some extent?
So initially, every startup has to put in their own money. So we have a saying: the first money comes in from FFF, friends, family, fools. Why we say fools is we are simply saying because we need to make those people believe in us, whether they are friends or they are families or they are outsiders who believe in our vision and our dream to make a business. If they believe in us and they say, no, this will hit. So that's the way the first money comes, your own money, your friends, your family, and people around you who believe in you. So, first amount you have to put in, and after that, it depends. There are two choices here for a startup. One choice is, do you want to grow organically? That means slowly, by creating awareness, by putting the product, by reputation of the product, reputation of the startup or the company, you can grow the company slowly. It may take you a couple of years, but it's okay. The other way is that there are some companies who want to grow fast. So in the companies who want to grow fast, we call that want to growth hack. So when you want to growth hack, then you go for funding and you have to be dynamic enough to attract investors, get funding, and then pitch your plan to a couple of places and get a lot of money. And once you get this money, you can have a big team to market it. You can put a lot of branding and branding and all that. And so you need a lot of money for growing exponentially, not slowly. For that, you have to put in a lot of money to spread from your marketing team to spreading it to other states and to other countries maybe. So for all that, investment is required and you need investment. Also, one more point here is, see, there are some companies which can grow organically slowly. So they have a choice whether they want to grow slowly or they want to hack the market and grow fast.
Okay.
But there are some companies or startups, they from beginning itself, they cannot be a success if they don't have a scale, okay, a big operation. For example, if you take the case of Uber or Ola, if they grow slowly, that business model does not work. So if you have only 100 cars in the city, 100 cabs or 200 cabs, it won't work.
Okay.
Because I need a cab in 10 minutes. So for getting a cab in 10 minutes, there should be so many cabs roaming around near my house, right?
Yes.
So unless I'm in a big model where I have the operations all around, I cannot offer my services.
Yes.
So for those models where you need a big scale, they definitely need to go big right from beginning, and they need to seek funding right from day one.
Okay. So it all depends upon the type of business we select.
Yeah, type of business and type of model in which you want to grow. Yeah.
Okay.